Alright, what is up, guys? I'm going to go ahead and go over the market recap today. I made two trades, bought into two stocks, uh, up $450 on the day, so not bad at all. It was a pretty slow day today, as it was yesterday, and I'm very happy with the gains that I made today, and walked away when I had them, and that was the right thing to do because the two stocks that we were watching are still lower than they were when I walked away. It is October 22nd, currently 1:40 p.m. So the markets are still live. So you will see, it moving still. But I'm done trading for the day. 450 is pretty good. I am just shy of $11,000 on the month, like $3.31 shy. So I could probably take another trade and make $3, but I'll worry about that tomorrow. Let's go ahead and go over the trade. So we had TROV on watch because it was the largest gapper this morning. As you can see, this morning it came out with news probably at 8:15, to be honest. So it gapped up and it held, it held its gains pretty good through pre-market. So we were watching it. Initially, it pulled back a little bit and it showed a little bit of weakness in the open, but it didn't fall under this 150 level, which to me showed strength. But I wasn't ready to get in it yet, just because most of the stocks we've been watching lately, or at least over the past couple weeks, the highest gappers are not usually the ones that do the best. So it curled around, went red to green, and then had a nice little pop up. I was still waiting. We had a lot of resistance here at 179, 178. I think that's from the daily chart. Let me double check to be sure. Yep, 178. Well, I don't know where we got 178 exactly, but it was on there. So come back down to 170, curl back up, and on this push here, this volume push, I decided to go ahead and just jump in. So I limit ordered in at 182. It popped up pretty good. Had a no. I am wrong. I got in at 940 on this red candle in the pullback. So it pops up. I see the volume. Good push. Little pullback. Volume is not heavy on this pullback, so I hit the bid, got filled, luckily, and it came back up. And as it was going up on this candle, I took half here at 188, and then it popped up, and then I took the rest of the remaining position off at 196. So I'm completely out, $300. It did go up to 203. We was watching for it to break $2. Went up to 203, flushed back down, kind of bounced around a little bit, but it never got over $2 on a strong push. I mean, even this candle here, most of that trading was done at like 199, 198, and then it had a little push and then came right back down. It did eventually later get up to 215, but still couldn't hold over $2. So what I was hoping to see, and I watched it all the way up till 10:30. I was hoping to see it get over $2, come and then hold support at $2, and then I was looking to get back in for a push to like 220, 225, but we just didn't see that. The other stock we was watching this morning was OBLN. It had a little gap up this morning, but TROV is like a 5 something million in float stock. OBLN is 1.8 million, so just under 2 million. Float makes a huge difference, as all traders know. So we were really hoping to see this one steal the mob and take off. It never did really get the mob, but we did see a little bit of opportunity here. So I was waiting for it to break 208. Let's see. Just because, here, failed here, failed here, failed here. So I was just waiting for it to break 208, show just a little bit of strength. And then, sorry, I shouldn't have done that. I was hoping to see it break pre-market highs. So it broke 208. I market ordered in. Got filled at 210 with 5,000 shares. So it's about a $10,000 position, pretty decent size position. Shoots on up. I was hoping to see a continuation. Came back down. I held through that, mainly because you could see the volume on the green here, and then the red's so light. And then this push up here, I got out the very top of this candle at 214. I just limit ordered out, and then it came down. I got tired of seeing the weakness, especially on this candle here. It was just a lot of buyers and sellers. It's about even. So I just market ordered out, got out at 212 for a $150 gain. I think the highest I was up at this point right here was like 200. So I'm still, not bad, 150. I was hoping to see it bounce off of 208 here on the way back down, but it didn't. Kind of scared me out. Then it had a nice little run up back up, and then eventually broke down and couldn't hold the level at all. Came back down to $2. It's had good support at $2 up until here recently, but it did start to crawl up a trend line here, and it did get up to 222, but still here it broke the trend line, and then we all know how that works out for stocks. So happy with my gains. 450 in the first, my last trade was at 952, so the first 22 minutes of the market, boom. So I'm happy with my trades today. We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, we can be in the green. Maybe we'll see another supernova for the month of October. Maybe we won't. Either way, I'm up almost $11,000 on the month. So my goal was 10 grand. I beat my goal. My goal for the week was 5 grand. That was pretty hefty. But so far, yesterday I made $5. So today, for the week I'm up $455. Still happy with that. If I only make $1,000 this week, I'm still gonna be happy. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. Thanks for watching.